And after a 2.25-year absence, we are finally back at YVR on Les Dias de Canada for a trip to leave Canada. And here's the new wing of the international departures area. It's pretty dead right now, but I think they put in 8 new gates around here. And as usual, it's a very beautiful airport. As everyone knows, Vancouver is one of the best, if not the best. Though apparently SeaTac now has something to say about that. There's something cool that they put in this new wing, so I'm gonna fast forward to that. Oh, they got a yoga room. They also have this brand new arboretum. Actual growing trees in the actual open air. Yeah, there's real trees in there doing stuff. And by doing stuff, I mean growing. Hello, orca.